Guys can flip it up.
That's not bad for the little one.
Yeah.
So you just step in it from the front, eh?
Yeah, well, it's pretty hard to get in from the back.
You gotta do it like Dukes of Hazzard style. Just run,
yeah, I get jammed in. I'm stuck.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do.
That's awesome.
Do you want me to turn this one on?
It should be run. I hit record already, but
oh, you did?
We'll double check it though.
Yeah, it's still running. 21 seconds.
Yeah, drop the bar.
Okay.
First thing. Yeah.
So seatbelt's on.
Yeah, hit it. Push it down farther.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Yeah, see, that's your seatbelt.
Okay.
That's all. You turn the key.
So there's no clutch or anything, right?
No. And the green button is your releasing all of your park brake.
Oh, that's the park brake? Okay, cool.
Driving around in circles.
Yeah, I can see myself wrecking a lot of things with that.
I need to get really close to the fence. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Just raise it up so you see the bottom of the bucket here.
Yeah. You gotta head over and do some more?
No, this is the only job I got left.
Oh yeah.
It's enough.
Everything he digs up here, we have to level up.
Well, I'll be fixing it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, that's why I said you guys play first before I fix it.
Oh, okay.
That's why I said.
I thought you said like don't dig in, don't do.
Well, no,
too much
you don't want to dig up too much. Like you don't want to dig up the inside. You yuck your stuff up.